If you're planning to use GenAI to help write your lesson plans on an ongoing basis, it might be a really good idea to build a RAG for retrieval-augmented generation. In this example, I'm using Google's Notebook LM. On the left-hand side, you can see the sources. I've uploaded templates, such as this one for the actual lesson plan. We have examples of lesson plans, slide decks, student worksheets, and our teacher content information. We have all of our guiding documents like our ACT and HOPE frameworks, how we do learning intentions and success criteria, our style guide, our guide for First Nations terminology and content, and then I also have our curriculum documents down the bottom here. Under my notes, I have saved the prompt that was crafted using the prompts mnemonic, and this will be my starting point for writing a new lesson plan. So we can take our prompt, we can submit it, and I won't edit this one to change the context, and we'll see what it does. Okay, great. Now I have a lesson plan that is very specific to my context and my needs, and it's in the format that I want my lesson plan to be in. I've got my tune-in section, my find-out section, we've got our timing, we've got our different activities, our reflection, we've got our differentiation and learning support for the student with low reading comprehension, we've got a literacy extension and a numeracy extension. Fantastic. From here, I can use chain of thought prompting to help write student worksheets or create slide decks or refine the lesson to make it more specific to exactly what I need.